You can watch the Earth live from space right now, for free, in a browser tab. What you cannot do is find your house in it. And the picture that does show your house was partly taken from an airplane. The site is Zoom Earth. No account, no payment, nothing to install. It gives you the planet as the weather satellites see it, refreshing every few minutes. Storms churning, wildfire smoke drifting, the line between day and night crawling across the map. You type a place, you scroll, you switch layers. For watching a hurricane arrive, it is genuinely better than the news. That is what it is for, and it does it beautifully. I have not paid for anything here. This comes from the sites themselves and from Google's own documentation. But here's the thing people actually want, and why they end up disappointed. Live means weather satellite, and weather satellites see in kilometers. Your entire town is a few pixels of gray. NASA's free viewer is around 300 meters to a single pixel. To see a roof, you switch to Google Earth. And Google says it plainly on their own help page. Those images come from cameras on satellites and aircraft. They are not real time, and a single view can be stitched together from photographs taken across days or months. So the sharp picture of your house is real, but it is old, and some of it was shot from a plane. Use both. Pay for neither. Zoom Earth for weather that is happening now, Google Earth for detail that happened a while ago. And if a site promises a live satellite view of your address, it is either lying or quietly selling you a commercial tasking order.